This month I joined a watercolor landscape workshop with my dear friend and teacher, Catarina Schur, and I thought it would be a great idea to talk about why I believe you should keep studying and learning from others as you progress in your art career. I'm Leah, a visual artist, and on this channel I share my art process of drawing and painting using different materials such as watercolor, pen and ink, graphite, colored pencils, soft pastels, oil pastels, gouache, and more. Here are the 5 reasons why you should keep studying art. Reason number 1. You'll learn new techniques and that may change your process. As you develop your style and your way of painting, you refine your techniques and start repeating certain visual solutions in your work. You create your own way of doing things, and that's not bad at all. On the contrary, your personal approach is exactly what makes your art unique. However, being exposed to different ways of painting can open your mind, and you might even incorporate some of what you learn into your own process. If you are a beginner, learning from others is, of course, how you start, testing different techniques to decide what you want to keep doing or not. And by trying new ways of using the materials you already have, you keep that beginner's mind that's so essential if you want to maintain an experimental side in your art. Catarina, my dear teacher, has a loose, expressive way of painting that I really admire and would like to bring more into my own process. There are links in the description for you to check out her work and see what I mean. I know that I tend to control the paint, which isn't a problem, it's just my way, but it's also wonderful when I let the water flow freely at times, as I do in some of the backgrounds you're seeing now. Trying to let go of controlling everything is one of the things I'm learning from her. Reason number 2. You explore different color palettes. Over time, we tend to use the same colors again and again. As I said before, it's not bad. It's part of what defines our unique style. But if you open your mind to learning new color combinations, you might discover possibilities you'd never considered before. In this workshop, for example, we worked on snowy landscapes, something completely different from what I usually paint. Here, in the Atlantic forest where I live, we don't have snow, and the light and colors around me are much warmer and more vibrant. In this workshop, I worked with a very limited palette. The piece you're seeing right now was painted mainly with 2 colors, royal blue and burnt sienna, with a touch of yellow ochre here and there. I learned a lot about creating complex color variations from simple primary colors and about working with a palette that's not my usual one. Reason number 3. You will experiment with new materials. Maybe you've always worked with watercolor and never tried oil pastels, for example, or maybe you tried once, didn't like it, and never went back. In a workshop or course, you might learn a different way of using a material that completely changes how you feel about it. Sometimes, all it takes is a new approach to fall in love with something new. That wasn't the case in this particular workshop since I already paint with watercolor, but I've taken other courses in the past on things that were completely new to me, like a bookbinding class by my dear friend Christina. Now I can make my own sketchbooks using any paper I want, and I even made some notebooks as gifts for family members. Reason number 4. You explore new themes and subjects. Trying new themes, for example moving from painting nature to painting portraits, can open your mind to new ways of seeing. In nature painting, you often have more freedom to change shapes and colors, unless you're doing scientific illustration, of course. But in portrait work, you need to pay closer attention to proportions and skin tones. A figure drawing class, for instance, can train your eye to observe more carefully, and that sharper observation will help you when you return to your favorite subjects, like nature. If you work with perspective and focus on getting all the lines perfectly right, maybe a workshop on loose watercolor landscapes could help you appreciate the beauty of a crooked or expressive line in your perspective drawings. Reason number 5. You meet new people. Even if it's an online workshop like the one I did this month, you will interact with the teacher and other participants, and you can learn so much just by seeing how others paint the same reference as you. In my group, there were people using looser brushstrokes, people who painted the same scene multiple times as practice, and others who used different color palettes. Some added more detail, some less. It was amazing to work in a group and exchange experiences about our process. So that's why I encourage you to take classes or workshops, even if they are not exactly your usual technique or your favorite themes. You will learn a lot by keeping a beginner's mind throughout your career and by maintaining an experimental approach to your work. Can you think of another reason why artists should keep studying? Share it in the comments so others can see it. Subscribe to the channel if you would like to watch more art videos and check the links in the description below. I have a community on Patreon dedicated to nature art with a lot of free posts including material lists, process photos and more. If you like this video, I'm sure you also enjoy one of the two on the screen right now. See you in the next one. Bye!